These are the 32-inch Blackstone plastic bottles here. These are really nice quality. They have the twist lid right here. So basically it just opens up, you just twist it, and then you could pour out the oil or the water, whatever you're using in here. But these are 32 ounces, very nice size here. I just recently bought another kit with a lot of other accessories. These are the bottles that came with it. They're 200 milliliters, so you can see they're a lot smaller here. I'm still gonna use these, but I did wanna get the 32 ounce bottles. These were recommended by some friends of ours who have been using Blackstone for a long time. We're still new at this, but this is another one here that came with a different set, 200 milliliters. These are gonna be better for like specialty oils and things like that, but this is basically what I was looking for right here. 32 ounces. You can see how much is left in here in each time. And then just got the twist top here at the top. So Blackstone is a really great brand. These are made really well. So this is the comparison here. 200 milliliters, 32 ounces. And this is what it looks like if you're storing them up in this tray right here on the actual Blackstone. So definitely want to make sure if you're looking for the larger ones, you go with this one. If you're looking for the other ones, this is another nice option as well.